Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. The topic that I'm discussing today is best and popular snake plant varieties, best Sansevierias. Snake plants are easy to grow and very tolerant of nature. These plants can survive well in low light and less water. And according to NASA's research, it absorbs toxic compounds like formaldehyde and benzene. Here are some of the best type of snake plant you consider. Sansevieria Trifasciata Mother-in-law tongue. The cultivar is most widely cultivated snake plant. Its dark green pointed leaves grow in upward direction and can reach up to 3 feet. Its flowers are in white or cream color, resembling lilies. Sansevieria Trifasciata twist. Like the name, its pointed leaves twist from the top. It grows up to 2-3 feet tall and has a yellow variegated border with horizontal stripes. Sansevieria Golden hahnii. Sansevieria Trifasciata is a drawft cultivar. Its dark green foliage has a distinctive creamy margin with upright and dense rosette appearance, making it perfect for coffee tables. Sansevieria Futura robusta. Futura robusta is easy to maintain plant with short and broad leaves. This exclusive variety has silver green foliage with dark green horizontal stripes. Sansevieria Black Gold. Sansevieria Black Gold is one of the most attractive types of snake plant. They have dark green broad leaves with yellow outlines on the edges. Sansevieria Cylindrica, offering an appeal of the lucky plumbo plant. The Cylindrica can grow up to 20 to 24 inches tall and thrives well in indirect sunlight. Water regularly for best growth. Sansevieria Laurentii. Its dark green leaves with yellow border looks beautiful with zigzag horizontal stripes. It grew up to 30 to 34 inches long. Divide the plant for propagation. Sansevieria Bantel sensation. The cultivar grow up to 30 to 32 inches tall and making it opt a choice as an indoor plant. With a faint white line running at the border on its narrow leaves, it makes quite a statement. Sansevieria Desert, also known as rhino grass, thanks to its pointed succulent leaves with the red tint. It grows as an upward direction in reaching a height of 20 to 24 inches. Sansevieria Moonshine. The silvery green leaves of moonshine make it one of the best type of snake plant. It thrives well in neglect and does not need much attention. Sansevieria masonica, Mason conga. Sansevieria is also known as whale fin or shark fin. This succulent plant has stunning foliage with dark green leaves and light green spots. Sansevieria khidki, star Sansevieria, also known as Pargi Sansevieria. This variety is quite popular among the houseplant growers. It has dark green foliage with unique fluorescent green patterns. Sansevieria gracilis. The compact variety of snake plant has pointed, long, narrow, and blunt leaves ring in white green color. Partial bright and indirect sunlight is ideal for this plant. Sansevieria fishery. If you're fond of growing plants, then its variety is perfect for you. It attains a height of less than 16 inches. It blooms in summer with a cluster of white flowers. Sansevieria patens. Sansevieria patens form a rosette structure with the green leaves lined in dark shade. They grow up to 3 feet tall. Infrequent watering and bright indirect sunlight are best for them. Sansevieria Lanaliculate. Native to Madagascar, caniculate grows up to 3-4 feet tall. This variety cannot resist drought, so keep them indoor during winter. Friends, there are many other best snake plant varieties. I will be discuss that in my next video. To be continued. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the update of new videos. If you like it, then press the like button and share with family, friends and relatives. Also add a comment. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.